The Kriya Studio is a refreshingly colorful place that is designed to encourage students to think freely and creatively and to apply their learning to solve real-world problems. Carefully planned and configurable layouts, workspaces conducive for collaboration, extensive range of manipulative sets that include engineering sets, robotics, digital media, bricks and technology, provide for a truly constructivist experience. This, coupled with a well-researched curriculum and classroom support, provide for an unparalleled teaching and learning experience. Divergence is the first step to creativity. Kriya understands this and provides an extensive range of high precision and advanced manipulative sets that allow the groups to visualize a wide array of designs, right from robotics for early grades to engineering designs for the higher grades. These manipulatives consists of 193 different part categories along with digital media that includes audio, video and technology tools like GIMP and Logo. The diversity of tools provided and the level of engagement is unparalleled at a Kriya Studio. The true strength of the Kriya Studio is the research-driven curriculum built on constructivist pedagogy, giving a truly engaged learning experience to the children. Extensive journaling by each student that goes along with the hands-on projects ensure that children go through the phases of reflection, evaluation and discovery, and the learning is complete. The Kriya Learning Program takes children through a series of projects, challenges and capstone projects, taking children from abstract to the concrete and then providing opportunities to apply their learning to real-life situations. Brain-based research and design thinking inputs have gone into making of the Kriya Studio, where each and every element, the physical elements like the manipulatives and furniture, as well as the classroom practices, are geared for maximizing an inquiry-based learning. Alright now, let's look at what the children will experience in a Kriya Studio. The Kriya Learning Program begins with children receiving extensive training on how to use the different manipulative sets. Kriya Studio is a space where students have the freedom to try and fail, to design and apply, to question more than answer. Every issue and problem statement has multiple views and solutions. It is a space where creativity and communication skills are groomed in an environment of collaborative learning. Each student fills in his journal that provides ample opportunities for reflection and practicing written communication skills. Kriya Learning Program is also unique in that it promotes interdisciplinary thought processes and learning across a range of disciplines that includes science, math, language and arts, computers, and even history. It is important to have an interdisciplinary thought process as we rarely solve problems in real life using disciplines in isolation. Well, it's not just fun, but we also have a very well-defined rubric system that measures the progress of learning of each child on all the learning outcomes. It is simple to use and can be part of a comprehensive, continuous assessment system. So what do the students think of it?
This whole class teaches us to be creative.
It's been 6 classes that I've attended with a great experience.
What the most I enjoy Kriya class is the challenges, doing challenges. In that you need to add what you want, what you have done, how much have you learned. We get to test ourselves, how much have we learned and all that. That is the best part of the Kriya class I found till yet.
Other classes, what they do, we generally learn. We don't experience what we are doing actually here.
Work which I learn in this class and we don't learn in other classes, generally we do theory work, but here we get to do practical, which stays in my mind for a longer period of time.
So we have the tools, the training and the resources in place for an engaging learning experience. Well, it's all cool for the students, but what about the teachers? Kriya also provides the school teaching staff with training to become effective experiential educators of the 21st century. An extensive 120-hour training program spread across 3 years ensures that the school is equipped with an engaging delivery of the Kriya program. We understand the typical work pressures and responsibilities at a school. Extensive lesson plans as well as video repositories are just some of the help tools provided as part of the support that includes online and offline help and on-site Kriya coach support. We have ensured that every help is provided to ensure seamless implementation of the Kriya program. And it is equally enriching and exciting for both the students and the teachers of your school. Let's hear it from the teachers themselves. What do they think of the Kriya program?
Well, in school, usually schools pay a lot of attention to academics. So a particular subject is taught. Yes, the children do activities in school, but probably they don't get as much time where they could apply those particular, the theory that they have learnt. So over here, I think they are getting a real good opportunity to put that into practice. So I think this is how, this is helpful. Later on, when they want to pursue careers, I think this is very important. Well, I think even teachers should have a program like the students do, because only when a teacher knows what the student is going through, they can apply these things in school as well, and we can make their learning experience better in schools. So I think if you could start a program for teachers, that would be great.
This is my first time here, and I think I'm quite excited about the whole project personally. I think it's freedom that is being given to the children to apply themselves, and this is the best time you can pick up their skills and creativity at its best before they are put into preconceived boxes. So if today's children are going to get this opportunity, nothing like it. That huge gap between what you are learning, the set of things that you learn come out, and then you're out into the open where you're facing a real world situation, and you feel that you're unequipped to handle a problem. So if that gap is being bridged by this program, which I think it is, it's a very positive step. The one thing I would underline is the importance being given to integrating a lot of different skills together, which is not available in the typical programs that we see outside. So whether it is communication, whether it is divergent thinking, whether it is science and math, or any other intelligence that we talk about, I think Kriya is a wonderful platform which is allowing us to integrate all skills together and presenting it as a single platform where everything is going to develop together, which is, I think, the best USP of your program.